Hey, Jack here with DevSlopes.com, and welcome back to our RESTful API course. One of the first questions that come up when dealing with RESTful services is what the heck is REST anyway? Just what does it mean? Well, the term REST is an acronym for Representational State Transfer. REST isn't a specification or a standard, but rather an architectural style. API, of course, is an acronym for Application Programming Interface. It's a set of routines, protocols, and tools for building applications. Here are a few key points about the REST architecture. 1. We don't transfer actual objects, but instead, we transfer a representation of it. For example, we transfer JSON data to represent our MongoDB documents. RESTful services are for exposing a public API over the internet to handle create, read, update, and delete operations on data. REST is focused on accessing named resources through a single, consistent interface. Since REST is just an architectural style, it's just a concept or a theory. How it's implemented is totally up to you. Everything is identified by a unique endpoint or URL. There should be one endpoint for each resource. And finally, endpoints consist of a domain name and a resource address to form a URL. In the context of this course, a REST API is a way that we can provide URLs to make requests from our mobile applications to interact with our Mongo database. With this interaction, we can receive data as well as send data to be stored. We can also set up endpoints to sort or filter our data that will be sent back to the client. I hope this quick explanation clears up what exactly a REST API is, and that it's been somewhat helpful anyway. If you're still a little fuzzy on it, it's okay. Once we get into the code and you start to see how it all fits together, things will start to make a little more sense. So let's go ahead and move over to the next section on general setup so we can start installing some of our tools we'll need to get rolling.